to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to hide reposts on TikTok profile. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to hide your repost on TikTok profile, all you gotta do is simply tap open your TikTok. Now, once you have opened your TikTok, there is no particular way to simply hide your repost on TikTok, as TikTok does not allow you to do that. So now what you gotta do is simply go to your profile and go to your repost section. Now you need to simply individually remove them or make your entire account private. So you can simply tap on the repost and tap on your reposted section. There you can simply tap on the reposted option and tap on remove repost. Once you do this, you can simply individually remove everything, and this way you can simply hide your reposts on TikTok profile by simply removing them. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.